Here's how to fix if you can't post more than 10 photos on Instagram. Now, if you're on Instagram, a fairly new feature is that you can post more than 10 photos, up to 20 different pictures in one Instagram post. I'll show you how to get that fixed if it's not working. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, on here, let's open up Instagram and tap on the little plus at the bottom center. Now on here, you should be able to tap on those two squares right next to the camera icon. And now you should be able to start selecting various photos and go all the way up to 20 different photos that you've selected. If you find that this isn't working or it maxes you out at 10 photos, the first thing I would recommend doing is opening up the App Store or Google Play Store. And we're going to just search for Instagram here. Now, tap on Instagram when it pops up, and if it gives you the ability to update just like this, you're going to tap on update to get the latest version. Now, keep in mind, Instagram just released this feature. It's a fairly new feature that is continually rolling out to all of its users. So if you do see the ability to update Instagram, make sure you update it to get the latest version and try again. Now, if that still doesn't work, the next thing I would recommend doing is heading into your settings. Let me go back here, tap on General, and then iPhone Storage. Now on here, we're going to find the Instagram app. There it is. Tap on Instagram, and we're going to offload this app and reinstall it. By going through this process, you clear out a lot of bugs and cache, and you force install a fresh new version of Instagram. So by going through this entire process, you should be able to get the latest features, including the ability to download and put up 10 different photos in one different kind of carousel post where people can swipe through up to 20 different photos in just one. Now, if you go through this entire process and you open it up and it's still not working, then I would recommend tapping on the profile at the bottom right, and then tapping on the three lines at the top right. From here, you're just going to swipe down all the way to the bottom. You can see here is help. Tap on help. And I would recommend hitting report a problem. So just shake your phone and report that you're having a problem selecting more than 10 different photos when you upload for a post, and just ask them like, hey, can I get this fixed? Can you help me restore my account to get that features and basically upgrade my account to have all the functionality of the newest version of Instagram? And they'll get back to you usually within a few days and get that fixed and get your account fixed so that you'll be able to do that. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you just have any questions. Thanks, guys.